Hello everyone. In this video we'll see how to do mantra meditation on hands. So जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं we recommend you to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra and it is called mantra meditation. So we'll see how it can be done and what it is. So जैसे कि हम जानते हैं हम सब ने ये वर्ड सुना होता है मंत्रा. मंत्रा का क्या मतलब होता है? मंत्रा का मतलब होता है, देखिए, दो शब्दों से मिलकर बना है, मन प्लस त्रा. मन मतलब माइंड एंड त्रा मीन्स जो उसको डिलीवर करे या जो उसको पैसिफाई करे. So this mantra works in that way. So there are many extensive studies on these mantras, that how by reciting them, it plays a very vital role in pacifying, in subduing, all those vicious things that comes in our mind, that disturbances, that depressional thoughts that comes in our mind. So for doing mantra meditation, you need four things. It's better that you have these four things. First one is a quiet place, a quiet environment. अगर जो एक शांत जगह आपको मिल सके, so सबसे बेस्ट है. दूसरा एक कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन, चाहे आप उठ के करें, बैठ के करें, कैसे, बस एक कंफर्टेबल पोजीशन जिसमें आप रिलैक्स्ड फील करें. Third is that chanting itself, that you have to keep on repeating that prayer. In our case, the mantra is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. We have to keep on repeating that. And fourth one is the passive attitude, free from thoughts, that we don't have to think of anything. We don't have to think about, you know, the meaning of the mantra, the language of the mantra, what it signifies or what. We just have to hear what we are saying. इतना ही करना है कि मेरे मुंह से मेरे कान तक वो आवाज पहुंचे. So there has been a very significant study done on this, and it has been found that this mantra meditation really helps student in in reducing their stress level and giving the positive thinking. You can do it for yourself. I request you that do it for at least 2 rounds a day for a week, and you will feel the difference in yourself. This mantra meditation really helps a lot. Okay, so now we'll discuss some do and don'ts of this mantra meditation, कि क्या करना है और क्या अवॉइड करना है. So first we'll discuss about do's. So हमें कितना जोर से करना है? हमें मंत्रा को सिर्फ मन में नहीं दोहराना है, हमें क्या करना है? हमें मुंह से बोलना है. इतनी जोर की बोलना है कि मेरे मुंह से मेरे कान तक आवाज पहुंचे. इतनी भी जोर की नहीं बोलना कि आसपास वाले डिस्टर्ब हो जाए. सिर्फ इतना ही जोर की बोलना है कि मेरे मुंह से मेरे कान तक की आवाज पहुंच जाए. दूसरा, वी हैव टू चैंट each and every word very distinctly. You can remember the principle of LCD, loud, clear, and distinct. So means we don't have to skip, or we don't have to uh, miss some words. We have to pronounce it like Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Chant respect, devotion, and concentration. Try to focus on the sound vibration. Just hear it. You don't have to do any other thing. You don't have to focus on anything, right? You just have to hear what you're saying. Yes, you can do chanting anytime, whether in the morning, evening, night. You can do at any place. चाहे आप नहाए हो, बिना नहाए हो, किसी भी डायरेक्शन में बैठे हो, उठ के, चल के, खड़े होके भी आप चैंटिंग कर सकते हैं. देर इज नो rules and regulation in chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Okay, you can chant at any time. Yeah, like I already said, it's better that you do it in the early morning, because in early morning our mind is very peaceful, and by the end of the day, it becomes too disturbed with our daily activities. So if it is possible, try to do it in the morning. Otherwise, you can chant anytime. Yes, you can chant either before or after taking baths. So this mantra is very auspicious, very purifying. It doesn't get contaminated by anything. Okay, so now we'll discuss some don'ts. What practices that must be avoided while chanting Hare Krishna Mahamantra? So one should not chant only a portion of mantra. Like we don't skip some words. We should not skip some words. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Ram Ram, nothing like that. We have to completely chant the whole mantra. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. And one more thing, that we have to do one thing at a time. Everybody, since our childhood, people say us, concentrate. So what is the best concentration? The best concentration is doing one thing at a time. So while chanting, you have to do only chanting. Do not mix any other thing with chanting. Just focus on the sound vibration of this Hare Krishna mantra. Do nothing like reading book, watching newspaper, TV or something. Just chant Hare Krishna mantra. So now we'll demonstrate how to chant on the fingers. So before doing, because this is a very auspicious thing to chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. So before doing that, uh, we do some invocation prayers, and this is the invocation mantra. It is pronounced as Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda, Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shiva Sadi Gaur Bhaktavinda. It is just to uh, thanks to our predecessors who brought this Hare Krishna Mahamantra to us. And this is the mantra itself: Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So, as a few of you might not have this beads with you, generally it is done on beads, a tulsi mala or a mala, a wooden mala, which have 108 beads. But you can also do it on your finger. So this is in this photo you can see there is a left hand, your left hand has been shown. So you can use your four fingers. अपनी चार उंगलियों का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. हर उंगली के ऊपर तीन तीन ब्लॉक होते हैं. So you can chant one time Hare Krishna Mahamantra and count on one block. So in this way you will on one finger, on one hand you can chant 12 times, and when you do it on 9 times, 12 to 9, that will be 108. So in this way you can chant 108 times Hare Krishna Mahamantra. That is one round of Hare Krishna Mahamantra on your hands. So that is all from our side. If you still have any question or any doubt, you can contact us. Hare Krishna.